How to activate chat hits in Messenger on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'll walk you through on how to activate chat hits in Messenger on Android. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch Messenger application and make sure that you log into your account. Tap three-line icon at top left corner and tap on the gear icon at top right corner of your screen. Once you're on this Me section, scroll down and navigate to Chat Hits and make sure that you toggle the button on for Chat Hits if it is turned off. You simply need to tap on the button and make it turn blue. And with this, you will successfully activate Chat Hits Messenger on Android device. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.